I'm sorry we got interrupted earlier.
Alpha, Ethan?
Just call me Ethan.
What if someone comes in?
Don't worry about that. Someone's coming into a storage closet right now, and they must have secrets of their own. So about yesterday.
I don't know what happened. You're an alpha. And very handsome. You need a mate who's good enough for you. I mean, I'm just a weak white wolf who was taken in. I'm not worthy of belonging with someone like you.
Hey, none of that matters to me. Fate is my guide, not rules. Please believe me, okay? I mean, you felt the connection too, right?
Ethan,
Who was it?